Hi friends, my name is Vishal and this is my investment talks channel, The Bull Official. So today I have picked power sector for our discussion, and why I have picked power sector is because as if you would have checked the market in the recent times, all the power sector stocks are firing, and the power sector has seen a great rally in the recent past, and we are expecting some more rally in the coming future. So today we will talk about one of the best bets from the power sector, and that is from the Tata Group, and it's a Tata Group company. So it is one of the largest power generator company in India, aimed at bringing uninterrupted power supply from its various plants located across India. So if you have guessed it right till now, please comment in this section. Let's proceed further to discuss on it. So we will discuss on five parameters. We will analyze this stock on five parameters. Even you guys can also use these parameters for further analysis if you want to do any analysis, or if you want to do analysis of any stock. You can use these parameters, and the sites I am using, I am just going to show in the coming video for the for your own analysis. So without wasting time, let's directly navigate to its uh, website and check its brand value and its business details. So as you can see, the company is none other than Tata Power. And why I am betting big on this stock is on the business segments it is working on, that is their products and services. So Tata Power basically concentrate their focus is on solar rooftops, EV charging, solar microgrid, and home automation. All these sectors are going to be the future booming sectors. As we have already seen, many companies, many households are adopting solar rooftop panels. Electronic vehicles are already on boom. Indian government is supporting and encouraging people to use electronic vehicle, and if as and when more and more electronic vehicles are going to come in the market, the EV charging stations or the EV charging platforms are also becoming, and this is also one of the futuristic segments. Apart from that, home automation is another segment which they concentrate on. So all these four segments which we see here on their website, these are the future booming sectors, and based on this we can see a good turnaround in this company, though it has not performed well in the recent past, which we can see, which we'll be seeing later in the financial parameters and technical parameters. So so that was all about its brand value and the company name. The Tata Group itself is a very big brand, and the brand which we can trust on. Now let's go to the second parameter, that is the latest news on this stock. We'll check on the latest news on this stock. To check on the latest news, we will navigate to ticker tape. So as we can see here, one day ago, there is a news for in this company, that is the CCI has approved Tata Power Nesco deal. Let's get into the details of this deal. As we can see from Economic Times, the CCI of India on Friday said it has cleared Tata Power proposed acquisition of 51% stake in Northeastern Electricity Supply Company of Odisha, which is a very positive news for this company, and we are surely going to see some good turnaround in the coming times. This was one of the news. Apart from this news, there are also rumors of Tesla collaborating with Tata Power in the recent future on EV charging stations, but I won't comment on that yet because it is not yet confirmed. But once it is confirmed, it is going to be a boom for this company. So that was for one of the news, that is one of the parameters. So first two parameters we have already covered. So the next parameter we'll go and check is the financial parameters. To analyze the financial parameters, we will again navigate to ticker tape and see some financials of this company. So this is the financial for this 5 years, last 4 years financial data of Tata Power of last 4 years. So from this chart from this table we can see the revenue has grown consistently over the past 4 years, except in 2020 because of the pandemic there was a bit of lagging behind. The net income has also consistently increased in this stock from 896.54 crores in FY 2017 to 1000 crores in FY 2020. Though the 2018 and 2019 where the incomes were good, but in 2020 we can see a, downfall in the net income of this company, and that is a very same case with most of the companies. The industry standards, if we check, the net income is higher than the industry standards. Over the past 5 years, the net income has grown at a yearly rate of 44% around versus industry average of only 17.37%. Let's go deep inside and see what the other analysts are suggesting on this stock. So around 17 analysts are covering on this stock, and out of 17, around 71% analysts are giving a buy call on this script. What are the forecasts as per the analysts? We can see in this section of ticker tape. Though it is a pro feature and it's a paid feature, but other than that, you guys can navigate to this website and do your analysis. So what we can see from the forecast as shown in ticker tape, we can still see a 26% upside from the current price. The downside is around 20%, though this forecast will be reiterated in the coming times based on its acquisitions and the turnaround and the steps taken by the company for better growth. So you can expect much more better upside on this stock. But what I would recommend is, if you are going to buy on this stock, don't buy in bulk at a time. Buy in dips on at different levels. Wait for the market correction, and once it is there, just grab this gold. So apart from that, if we check the investment checklist created by Ticker Tape, so out of 5 parameters, 3 parameters are green. Only the intrinsic value of this stock, the current price is more than the intrinsic value, which means the company's current price is overvalued. But again, this is based on the company's past few years performance, and it may change in the coming times if they perform well, which is supposed to. Let's have a look at the holdings in the company. So if we see the promoter holding, so we can see promoters have increased their stake in this company continuously. from 37% to around 46 to 47%, around 10% increment, which is a huge increment in last 1 year, which is a big positive point, which indicates that the promoters of this company are very confident of the growth. Let's see on foreign institutional investors. Foreign institutional FIIs have decreased their stake. Mutual funds have been decreasing their stake. Other retail investors, they it's their stake in this company has been around 17 to 20%. So this was about the shareholding pattern of this stock. Let's see some other parameters. Let's have a look on the uh, returns it has given in the recent past. In 5 years, it has given a return of 76%. In last 1 year, it has given a huge return of 184%. In last 1 month, it has given a return of 14.70%. In last 1 week, it has corrected and it's down by around 7.83%. And the last day after the market recovery, it has regained. So we can take position in this slowly. Wait at this price, we can start entering, and this price we can also wait for a bit of correction in the market and just grab this stock. So we have covered the third parameter of analysis, that is financial part. Let's look at the technical parameters, for which we'll go to money control. So this is money control website, and from here we can see all the technical parameters of this stock. So the move, if we see the moving averages, it is bullish on 200, 100 and 50 and 20 days EMS, which shows it is on a bullish mode. All the indications are bullish based on moving averages. If we see other technical indicators like RSI is 56.41, which is also very bullish. MACD is 4.59, is bullish. Stochastic is bullish. ROC is also bullish. Let's see on the moving averages crossover. So it is bullish on for both short term, medium term and long term. As we can see from 50-20 DMA crossover, 20-50 DMA crossover and 50-200 DMA crossovers. All these three indicators are bullish. And we must enter in a stock when it is in a bullish trend rather than entering waiting for it to turn into a bearish trend. Let's go to another very good feature of money control for analysis, that is SWOT analysis. Let's have a look on the SWOT analysis of this stock. So as you can see here, this is the SWOT analysis, which stands for strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. So let's check the strengths first. There are 5 strengths as analyzed by money control: rising net cash flow and cash from operating margin, a company with high TTM EPS growth, book value per share improving from last 2 years, FIIs increase their shareholding, and a strong momentum that is well above the short, medium and long term moving averages, which we have seen in the technical details. Let's also have a look on weaknesses. Some of the weaknesses are the red flag, which is high interest payments compared to earnings. Mutual funds have decreased their holdings. ROE, ROA is declining from last 2 years. The company has huge debt, but since it's a Tata Group company, we can rely on them, and we can expect the debts will be clear soon. The annual net profit declined in the last 2 years. Again, this parameter will slowly improve once EV charging stations and solar power panel adoption grows in the coming future. Let's see what are the opportunities. There are three opportunities in this section shown in this. That is, the brokers have upgraded their recommendation or the target price in the past 3 months. It has shown highest recovery from 52-week low, and RSI is also indicating price strength. Uh, Threats, we can see only one, that is degrowth in revenue, profits, and operating margin in recent results. So we have covered the all the 5 parameters of this stock for analysis. Uh, as per my analysis, this is one of the best stock which can concentrate on. If you like my content, please hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming useful contents. Thank you.